Alright, we're going to the Freedom Factory for open track night. There's going to be drifting, burnouts, spectator drags. They said something about a car jump. I don't know. We'll see what it is. I'm probably going to film more of like behind the scenes stuff. But we'll see once we get there, and I'll see what I get the video. Alright, stopped at Publix. I got a sandwich, some popcorn chicken. It was BOGO on the chicken, so we got another popcorn chicken.
Hot spicy one.
Yep, hot and spicy, and then regular.
And I got the best thing on it, C4.
C4, strawberry, okay, whatever, strawberry drink.
Starburst.
And then I got
The best.
Mountain Dew Summer Freeze. This tastes awesome. It tastes like one of those ice pops. So it doesn't really taste like a drink. It tastes like those ice pops. The red, white, and blue ice pops. It tastes awesome. I got to be careful not to drink the whole thing right away because it's just so good. All right, well, we're on the road. I'll put the video here and a montage of us, time lapse of us driving to the Freedom Factory. No, I'm just kidding. The next will be at the Freedom Factory in about 2 seconds. Okay, here we are. No, that's the drag strip. Going to FF. Where's the giraffe? There he is. There's the giraffe. There's the Freedom Factory. Told you, it only takes a couple seconds to get here. Alright, well, I'm going to park and I'm going to walk in. Here's the hangar. Where the airplane is. There's airplanes in there. This is all new. Now we'll just park right over here. Oh, look, a windsock. That's interesting. We are walking into the pits. This way we can see the cars. It'll be more entertaining, something else to look at. So that's what we're doing. These are the pits. So we're gonna walk, look at some cars, and go watch. They're doing burnouts right now. I don't know if you can hear it. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Okay. Oh, that's what the siren is. When they're done, they're supposed to hit the siren. It's going to turn off the stop. Okay. You want? We'll look at the cars and then we'll go watch some stuff. What do you think?
Is that the Tesla with the engine in it?
No.
Tesla.
It's a Model S. What? Yeah, no, Model 3. What it was. A lot of 240s.
Why is it?
Why is what here?
Tesla.
I don't know.
They even do it.
Spectator Drags.
Hey, let's find it.
Oh, KSR's here. Alright, let's go. There's guards' car. Did we miss it going?
I'm guessing about.
It smells like he smells like he raced it, right? Did we miss it? Look how smashed up it is. Huh? It's Garza's car. See, that's him right there. Alright, let's go watch. What happened was he crashed into a wall a couple times. Like 4 or 5 times. Oh, look at this. Like, nice little burnout pad. It's weird. Just did a burnout right there. Okay, let's climb up here. Now I'm zoom. It's a bed. Uh-oh. took somebody for a ride.
Is this still 360?
Car missing. Here's all the Crown Vics. Oh, this was Derek. This is Vice Grip's garages. 1776.
Not smell good over here.
No, this is. Yep. Here's the Regal. I think it's, oh yeah, the bald Regal. Look at this.
Oh God.
Oh, this one doesn't look good.
No.
Something's wrong there. Ty and Zach's. Supra's real nice. You like the Supra?
Oh God.
Some Ford Ranger. What the heck happened to this thing? His wheels.
That's what it looks like when it's popped.
Yep. What the heck?
Those are some nice tires.
Wow, that's an LS motor in it, but
These ones are some nice tires.
yeah. They have, it's like beadlock on, or it's fake beadlock. Fake beadlock. Nitrous?
Are you allowed to have fake wheels that are like instant pop?
What is he doing?
I think he's trying to mount the side.
Trying not to get the pole.
I think Liz might want right back. Come on, Cleetus.
Oh no! The only thing that force fight handles better. Oh my god. Oh. Rebar rolling in. Alright, so Cooper's going to take it back to the Spectator Drags, but I think we're going to probably end it early. I looked at the weather, it's going to pour. It's getting a little bit right now, a couple minutes, it's going to pour. Yeah, we can go around here. Alright, it's really starting. Yeah, it's really starting to rain. Alright, we're going to. Yeah, the rain part. Alright, that's it, we're done. Rain stopped. But the track's all totally soaking wet, so everybody's gone. It was a fun time. Did you have fun, Elias?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a fun time. We're gonna head home now. There's just a bunch of traffic. I don't know if you can see the cars. So we're just sitting in the car with the AC. Just chilling. Cooling off. It only downpoured for a little while. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe. Like, share, do all that cool stuff.
Hit post notifications.
Hold on, what are you saying?
Hit post notifications. Tell us what your best part was in the comment section below.
Yep, what he said. Catch you later. See you in the next video. Bye.